you guys doing? Knocking out a couple shirts today for a repeat customer. You did? He a DJ. He won't let me put this doggone heat transfer vinyl down. Keep wanting these damn glitter shirts. Just gonna pop that thing, guy. Pop it, pop it, pop it, lock it, pop it, lock it. Hold on. All right, I had to check the film right quick, boy. I'm silly as hell. All right, let me get this stuff. I might just be recording this myself. Let me see what we gonna do first. He had he had the name on the front. Okay, so what are we gonna do is we gonna put her name is Miss Rhonda, and Ultimate Productions is the name of the DJ company. I'm going on ahead and pre-press this shirt, get some of the moisture and wrinkles out. Y'all saw I just pop it. Pop it like it. Pop it like it. Oh, oh. Pop it like it. Do it for 10 seconds. We're gonna go and give it a little time. Give me a second, guys. This is a little cut and sew track jacket that I did. Alright, looking good, looking good. Let me see. Stop looking at my butt and stuff. What's wrong with y'all? Alright, we're gonna put on her name. What's your name? Miss Rhonda. It's her. We're gonna straighten it out for Miss Rhonda by the neck. Looking good right there. We're gonna press this piece at the same time. Uh-oh, that D came off. You know, we need to keep that D on deck, y'all. So hold on. I done dropped the D off there somewhere. Luckily, I made 3. I always do an extra one on something like this. Just going like right here with this one at. So just gonna place it. Boom. I ain't gonna lie, with this type of stuff, you don't even need to cover it, but I'm gonna put something on top. Just for good measures and showing people that's newbies how to do it. If you got one of these Teflon sheets right here, definitely handy for keeping the platen and the shirt from actually touching each other. You use this as a little cover base. I'm gonna make sure it's straight. Looks good to me. Go on here, press that down for 10 seconds. It probably can use about 15. We gonna go 10 real quick. We gonna come back. Look at how it goes. Alrighty. Boom, 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 boom. I just flipped it over for good measure. I'm gonna hit it one more again. Cause sometimes 10 seconds not enough. You should give glitter probably about 15 seconds. All right, that's good right there. You know, get the Miss Rhonda Ultimate Productions. I'm about to do the back. And this is the DJ Bang and Bo, the back logo that I did for him years ago. I made a little revision to it. He loved it, so he keep coming back to rock this thing. I ain't messed with this man none through the pandemic. I thought he found somebody else. He came back. I was trying not to mess with him, y'all. Guess what he said? I'll pay extra, man. I just need these glitter shirts. I said, step up to sublimation, man. Sublimation is a new thing. He said, I know about that, but you gotta, I'm old school. I like what I like. So, there it is. We just gonna keep the man happy. Boom. All right. I wanna leave out the Teflon done. Slap them on now. We're gonna give them 15 seconds. Ladies and gentlemen, 15 seconds. I'm gonna hold it down for an extra 5 after they get done. All right, that puppy is good to go. Let me take off the so I'm actually doing 2 more sets of these, but I gotta cut them out. So that's the back. DJ Bang and Bo. Front still got the plastic on it, but we misrun the Ultimate Productions. I'm about to do his other one right quick. I'm gonna go ahead and do 2 on this thing. Or maybe I should do another color. Matter of fact, that's what I think I'm gonna do. I'm not gonna show y'all me doing his. I'm gonna show y'all me doing the other colors just to switch it up a little bit. Give me a second. I should have been showing y'all this part right here, and I thought about it after the fact. I've actually already chopped up this one right here, pretty much showing y'all how to get like, I'm doing 2 shirts double-sided in like a, how much space was that? That was like a 13 by, I think the roll is like 20 inches. So I'm doing 2 shirts in that space, and I'm charging the guy like $45 a shirt. So like each color he want, front and back on this one. I don't know if you guys can see. Front and back on this one. This is his shirt right here. I showed you guys the ladies already. DJ bangs and both. $45 to do the shirt, times 3. Actually that's $90 to do 2 shirts, and then times 3, that's $270, y'all. So just showing y'all the money real quick. I was doing some HTV. That's why I ain't actually put it all the way down yet. It's still making me money. So I'm not bad mouthing it, but boy, if he could just, cause it took me so long to weed all of this. Jesus. But it's cool. Pretty much 2 sides. I did the name, the logo that's on the back, the big one, and the little Ultimate Production that goes up into the right little corner on the thing, whatever. So I got hers chopped up right here. Here's right here. I'm gonna come back and do the gold ones last. The next 2 sets, we doing those on black shirts. So the next 2 sets going on black shirts, we're gonna do this silver on black, and we're gonna do the gold on black. I'm gonna show y'all what everything look like. So give me 1 second. You did. All right, guys, I'm back. I just want to show y'all real quick. I did this shirt right here probably. I did this shirt before we was even at this shops, and we've been at this shop since 2016. We soon about to get up out of here too. Y'all pray for me that we get up out this spot as soon as possible. But anyway, that's why that man goes so hard about these glitter shirts, because he a DJ and he be in there in the night and stuff, and the lights be twinkling and stuff. That's why he like, yeah, sublimation cool, I know, all over, whatever. Run me that glitter. Let's go. Pop that shirt out, get that stuff up off there, all them threads that I just saw. Looking good to me. Slap that little sucker right on there. We want to knock out them wrinkles and stuff. And I think I'm gonna let that go for the 10 seconds. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna come over here and chop up these 2 Ultimate Productions real quick. And we gonna do these in the silver. The last ones we did white on royal blue, but this one we gonna do the silver. We're gonna do his first. So just like the other one, I put the name and the name of the company on the front. So I'm gonna do the same thing here. On this one, here's a V-neck, so I'm bringing that V-neck up to probably like the bottom of the cut of the actual glitter. V-necks are funny, man, because they come down so low and they different on every shirt, so it'd be hard to really know exactly where to place them. And I got a way of doing this, but for the sake of doing this video, I don't want to take too much time. But anyway, I just place that down there. I'm gonna take the little joint that go over the area right here, slap it a little bit on top, but I'm making it even with where I think the end of the words are stopping on the big name right there. So that look good to me. What we're gonna do is take this little Teflon sheet, slap it on top, hit him for 15 seconds, guys. I'm gonna let it go because I only got the system set up for 10 seconds. I'm gonna hold it down so the little noise is gonna get kind of loud. Just give me a second. All right, so that's good for me. Slap him to the side. Let me hold it up. Oh yeah, it's looking good already. All right, I'm gonna take this, put it on the front, guys. He is good to go. Put that up there with the other one. I'm gonna peel this off. This looks really nice on this black right here, but hold on, let me pull off the front so I can show you guys everything at the same time. So yeah, black is gonna look good. He came one time and got some white shirts, and maybe I'll show you a picture of that white shirts using the same stuff with the same glitter that I'm putting on this black shirt, and I did not like it at all. It probably popped in the nighttime, but this right here looks much better. That silver is gonna serve as almost a white when you're going against a black background. And that's what it looked like on the back. Just like this one right here. Probably the same roll. I don't even know because I ain't used this stuff in so damn long. All right, guys, so I'm gonna show y'all real quick what I do on the gold ones in a hot second, but I'm gonna break this stuff down one more again. All right, guys, so I'm back. So on this one, this is the last set that we gonna do. Every intermission that I leave, I always knock out the other shirt. So I actually did 4 shirts already, even though you guys only saw me do 2. This is the last set that we're gonna be doing the gold lettering on a black shirt. So this is the gold vinyl. I'm gonna chop it down. Like I told you, I got 2 shirts out of this, front and back. So I don't know if you guys have a 20, I think this is a 24-inch printer that I'm using over here, but I'm getting 2 shirts out of a 13 by 20 inch roll of glitter, and that 13 by 20 inches is making me $90, y'all. So this little bit of material right here, look at that. This little bit of material front and back on 2 shirts is making me $90 per shirt. So let me go ahead and show you. Let me slice this joker down real quick. So I never crap on heat transfer vinyl, but I'm a sublimation guy, so I'm gonna always lean in with that, just because creatively I have more freedom. I can do much more stuff. When you're dealing with vinyl, you're stuck to pretty much doing vector art. So that's why we have so many things coming up. Matter of fact, that DTG machine is actually here in the city, guys. So I'm going to be offering DTG soon. So, you know, as you go and you grow in your business, you like to offer some different things to your customers. So that's going to be another brand of the Cotton Sub staple. So we're going to have Cotton Sub DTF soon. Full color digital graphics for sublimate for polyester and cotton shirts, colors or whatever, it don't matter. For those people that don't know anything about DTF, it's just like a DTG machine, except you don't have to do the shirts right now. You get the transfers and it's gonna print it on a film like this right here. It's not gonna be sticky like this, but it's gonna print it on the film that you can actually take that transfer and heat press it later. So all you really need to get going and start you a t-shirt business is have you a heat press. I would tell you definitely make sure that you get the 16 by 20 heat press, but I know a lot of people start off with the 15 by 15 or something. So guys, we have here already, we got DJ Bang & Bo. That's the back of the shirt. We have here the front. We got Miss Rhonda right here, her stuff. And then I'm gonna take these little names right here, chop these down. As I said, I made 3 just in case. I only need 2, so we're gonna put that to the side. We got our names. All right, I'm gonna show y'all right quick how I cook it up. All right, guys, we back. I'm gonna knock out the last set of these shirts right quick. Let me grab them. We have both. Let me see, this is V-neck. We got 2 V-necks. Lord, I hate V-necks. We gonna bust out these V-necks. And no disrespect to Miss Rhonda, but since DJ Bang & Bo is my guy that's been messing with me for years, I'm gonna show y'all me doing his shirt. Not gonna show y'all me doing Miss Rhonda's shirt, but I'm gonna show y'all how everything look at the end. So, boom. So guys, I'm gonna be doing a whole lot more videos, probably coming on the DTF, because I'm gonna be getting ready to learn that real soon. I'm gonna be dedicating probably a whole month and a whole bunch of the media and the material just to give you guys some stuff so y'all can test out. So Stay tuned. All right, let's look at it on the gold. The black and gold DJ Bang & Bow Ultimate Production. That looks really, really nice to me. Flip it on the back. Like I say, it was a little bit far from the neck on this one, but we got it to work. It looked good, guys. So I'm gonna put everything side by side and show y'all what it looked like in 1 minute. Give me a second, UD. All right, lastly but not least, guys, these are all the shirts that I just whipped up. 6 shirts front and back. 1 each with the colors. 1 for Rhonda, 1 for DJ Bang & Bow. Their company, they work together as a team. Ooh, look at this one here. This joker is going bananas. This gold. Anyway, guys, that's it. Hold on for 1 second. So guys, thank you so very much from the bottom of my heart for checking in again, just checking out the videos, learning something. I hope you actually took something from this today. For all you guys that are still using heat transfer vinyl, man, make sure that you're charging for your products and your services. Your time, your materials, everything costs, so charge accordingly. Don't be too cheap. You see I'm charging $45 a shirt, really because I don't really want to do it. I charge them an extra 10, but you can get $35 for doing shirts like that. You can actually charge $45 and they'll still go. So make sure that you guys stay tuned for what we got coming down the pipeline for doing the DTF. We got that coming. We're gonna be doing DTF transfers, and we'll actually be doing finished products on DTF shirts as well for our customers, mostly the walk-in people and anybody who we deal with. But I'll have it on the website if people want to order them a DTF shirt. They'll definitely be able to get that. But DTF transfers are on the way, and I'll have those for my retail customers, and also for the wholesale people. We're actually going to have another discount on the DTF transfers. So membership has its privileges, guys. You get into the wholesale and you're going to save a little bit more money than what the retail is going to cost, and the retail is already going to be crazy price low, so you're definitely going to make your money back off that. So check into the website for cotton subs, for Photoshop classes, for templates, for print services, custom apparel, just anything that you need. cottonsubs.com. Check into our Facebook group, Cap University. We're also on Instagram under Techbot Customs and Cotton Subs as well, guys. So definitely get into the loop, get familiar with us, and we will see you guys on the other side. Thanks for checking in, okay? Make sure that you love and respect one another. Peace.